Welcome back to another weekly Camp Nou construction update. Today, we take a closer look at the latest progress across multiple sections of the stadium, from the Tribune area to the corner zones where key structural work is moving forward. Several important developments are taking shape, including preparation for lamella installation and continued structural improvements. Let's get straight into today's update. The Tribune area shows mixed activity, with lower levels quiet as machinery is being repositioned after the match, while upper sections remain active. Workers are applying anti-corrosion paint to steel brackets and bolts, along with surface preparation by scraping beams before coating. A connecting beam is being installed using lifting platforms, carefully aligned between structural pillars. Elevator structures are also progressing, with white ceiling material applied across joints. On the right side, sandwich panels are nearly complete, while the left section still awaits installation. The diamond-shaped entrance has made strong visual progress, with door frames fully installed on both sides and all upper glass panels now in place. The front facade looks significantly more complete, with glass and structural framing aligned across the front and sides. This remains one of the most advanced areas of the stadium, with similar finishing work expected soon on the nearby cafe structure. The south goal area is currently quiet with minimal visible activity. No lifting platforms are operating, and only a few workers are present at ground level. This slowdown is temporary, as equipment removed for the match is gradually being returned. Full construction activity is expected to resume once machinery is repositioned. The corner section is active with multiple teams preparing for lamella installation. Workers are treating brackets, tightening anchors, and making final adjustments to structural supports. A truck loaded with lamellas has arrived, indicating that installation is approaching. All preparation steps, including painting and alignment, are being completed before the panels are placed. A crane has now been positioned in the corner section, which is a strong indication that lamella installation is about to begin. The presence of the crane suggests that heavy panels will soon be lifted into place. This is a critical step in the construction process, as it marks the transition from structural preparation to visible exterior completion. If progress continues at this pace, lamella installation in this area could start within the next few days, gradually closing open sections of the stadium facade. One of the previously problematic structural tie rods has now been successfully installed. Earlier, the piece did not fit correctly and had to be lowered for adjustments. However, after corrections were made, it has now been properly aligned and secured into position. All bolts have been fixed, and the structure now appears stable and complete. This marks the successful installation of another key structural component, contributing to the overall strength of the upper framework. Concrete work is actively ongoing in the corner section, where a pump and mixer truck are in operation. Concrete is being poured into previously prepared formwork at the upper levels, following earlier setup work. This process helps strengthen the structural base and provide stability for the next phases, indicating continued progress in this part of the stadium. In the north goal area, the focus remains on preparing steel structures before lamella installation. Workers are scraping, cleaning, and treating beams and brackets to ensure proper surface condition. Many bolts are already coated with anti-corrosion paint, showing that protective treatment is well underway. These steps are necessary before any lamella panels can be installed, meaning that visible facade progress in this section will come after this preparation phase is completed. Lamella support brackets are now prepared and stored in one of the corner sections, ready for installation. These large vertical supports will be mounted onto previously installed connectors along the steel beams. Once these supports are fixed, they will serve as the base for attaching lamella panels. This step is essential for progressing toward the completion of the stadium's exterior facade. The lateral stand is showing steady progress, with structural elements already in place. Workers are focusing on surface preparation, alignment, and early panel installation in some sections. Overall, the area is gradually moving toward the next phase of facade and finishing work. Overall construction activity is slightly reduced at the moment due to recent and upcoming matches, which require temporary removal of equipment and restrict certain operations. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you enjoyed the update, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more regular construction updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.